नमस्कार। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने स्पेशल पेपर 19A सेल एंड मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी के अंतर्गत कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ द ओरिजिन एंड कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन स्टोरेज डिजीज़ एंड एड्स के विषय में चर्चा की थी। आज हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस CF के विषय में चर्चा करेंगे। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर राजेश कुमार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी, SPC, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस। It is an inherited life-threatening disorder that damages the lungs and digestive system. Cystic fibrosis affects the cells that produce mucus, sweet and digestive juices. It causes these fluids to become thick and sticky. They then plug up tubes, ducts and passageways. A defect in the CFTR gene causes cystic fibrosis. This gene makes a protein that controls the movement of salt and water in and out of our body cells. In pupils who have CF means cystic fibrosis, the gene makes a protein that doesn't work well. This causes thick, sticky mucus and very salty sweets. Now, cystic fibrosis affects the cells that produce mucus, sweet and digestive juices. These secreted fluids are normally thin and slippery, but in people with CF, a defective gene CFTR causes the secretions to become sticky and thick. Instead of acting as lubricant, the secretions plug up tubes, ducts and passes away, especially in the lungs and pancreas. Now, sign and symptoms of cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis signs and symptoms vary depending on the severity of the disease. Even in the same person, symptoms may improve as time passes. Some people may not experience symptoms until their teenage years or adulthood. Pupils are not diagnosed until adulthood, usually have milder diseases and are more likely to have atypical symptoms such as pancreatitis, that is an inflamed pancreas, and infertility and also recurring pneumonia. Now, most of the other signs and symptoms of CF, that is cystic fibrosis, affect the respiratory system and digestive system. Now, first we take respiratory sign and symptoms. The thick and sticky mucus associated with cystic fibrosis close the tubes that carry air in and out of our lungs. This can cause signs and symptoms such as persistent cough that produce thick mucus known as sputum. Second, symptoms wheezing. Third, exercise intolerance. Fourth, inflamed nasal passageway or a stuffy nose. Next, recurring sinusitis. Now, second, digestive sign and symptoms. The thick mucus can also block tubes that carry digestive enzymes from our pancreas to small intestine. Without these digestive enzymes, our intestine are not able to completely absorb the nutrients into the food we eat, and the result is often foul smelling greasy stools, poor weight gain and growth, intestinal blockage known as mucinous ileus, and chronic or severe constipation. Now, some complications occur during cystic fibrosis. Complications of cystic fibrosis can affect the respiratory, digestive, and reproductive systems as well as other organs. We take first respiratory system complications. Damaged airways known as bronchiectasis. Cystic fibrosis is one of the leading cause of bronchiectasis. It is a chronic lung condition with abnormal winding and scarring of the airways known as bronchial tubes. This makes it harder to move air in and out of the lungs and clear mucus from the bronchial tubes. Now, chronic infection of CF. People with cystic fibrosis may often have sinus infection, bronchitis, pneumonia, growth in the nose or nasal polyps, coughing up blood known as hemoptysis, pneumothorax. Pneumothorax can cause sudden chest pain and breathlessness. Respiratory failure. Cystic fibrosis can damage lung tissue so badly that it no longer works. Next, acute exacerbations. People with cystic fibrosis may experience worsening of their respiratory systems, such as coughing with more mucus and shortness of breath. This is called an acute exacerbation. In it, decreased energy and weight loss also are common during exacerbations. Second, digestive system complications, in which nutritional deficiency, diabetes, liver diseases, intestinal obstruction, and distal intestinal obstruction syndrome. It is DIOS. Now, intestinal obstruction, in which intestinal blockage can happen to people with cystic fibrosis at all ages. DIOS, it means distal intestinal obstruction syndrome, in which partial or complete obstruction where the small intestine meet the large intestine. Nutritional deficiency, thick mucus can block the tubes that carry digestive enzymes from our pancreas to our intestine. Without these enzymes, our body can't absorb proteins, fats, and fat-soluble vitamins. So, we can't get enough nutrients. This can result in delayed growth, weight loss, or inflammation of the pancreas. Diabetes. CF increases the risk of diabetes. Liver disease, the tube that carries bile from our liver and gallbladder to our small intestine may become blocked and inflamed. This can lead to liver problems such as jaundice, fatty liver disease, and cirrhosis, and sometimes gallstones. Next, reproductive system complication. Infertility in means reduced fertility in women. In infertility in men, almost all men with cystic fibrosis are infertile because the tube that connect the testes and prostate gland or vas deferens is either blocked with mucus or missing entirely. Certain fertility treatment and surgical procedures make it possible for men with CF to become biological father. And reduced fertility in women. Although women with cystic fibrosis may be less fertile than other women, it is possible for them to conceive and to have successful pregnancy. Still, pregnancy can worsen the signs and symptoms of cystic fibrosis, so be sure to discuss the possible risk with our doctor. And last, other complications known as osteoporosis. Pupils with cystic fibrosis are at higher risk of developing. Treatment depends on severity, may ease symptoms and reduce complications. Newborn screening help with early diagnosis. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम SCID, इट मीन्स सीवियर कंबाइंड इम्यूनो डेफिशिएंसी सिंड्रोम के विषय में चर्चा करेंगे. धन्यवाद. ठीक है, कितने देर का बना देखो. 12 मिनट 35 सेकंड. बहुत है यार, मज़ा आ गया. फोड़ दिया. और ये भाई साहब ये है ना, ये बच्चे ढूंढते रहे. मैं ऐसी चीज़ है कि ढंग से कर लेंगे तो इनका बेड़ा पार हो जाएगा.
बेड़ा पार हो जाएगा तो तुम पास क्यों किया? बोल लेते हैं इनको. पाली से 5 सांसद है.
वापस बोलो.
पाली जिले से 5 सांसद हैं.
पाली जिले से 5 सांसद है. अच्छा.
बताऊं? अश्विनी वैष्णव अभी जो केंद्रीय रेल मंत्री है. दीप्ति चौधरी लोकसभा सांसद है. ठीक है. मोहम्मद राज्यसभा सांसद है. ठीक है. फिर नीरज गांधी वो भी राज्यसभा का सांसद है, वही पार्टी का है. और सुनील सोनी वो भी राज्यसभा सांसद है, लेकिन वो छत्तीसगढ़ की सीट लेकर बैठा हुआ। समझदार बात। लेकिन फिर भी राजस्थान के लिए इतना कांटे कुछ नहीं करते हैं, सब बीजेपी के हैं।
वो वीडियो कहाँ ढूंढने यार, कहाँ गया साला है? ये 15 पॉइंट ये जैसे चल रहा है, इसको निकालने बार
कहाँ
वीडियो एक्स रिकॉर्डर में था।
कहाँ रहता आपके वीडियो?
ये एक्स रिकॉर्डर में निकालो।
ये
हाँ, अभी जो बनाए वो कहाँ है?
लेटेस्ट तो यही है।
नहीं 12 पॉइंट समथिंग ये चल रहा है, इसको निकालने की क्या? इसको निकालो।
तो ये तो अभी बंद ही नहीं किया
हाँ तो बंद करो ना।